Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video you are gonna learn how to create or how to use avatar in your Instagram profile picture. Okay, so how can you use this? Just watch this video till the end, then you will learn. Now let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see Instagram account, so click on your Instagram account. And after that, go to your profile. So you can see this is my profile, and click edit profile, and then click change profile photo. And now you can see the pop-up menu from the bottom part. You can see use avatar. Okay, just simply click on use avatar, and then here you can see the option. Now let's get start and choose your appearance. So I just choose my appearance like this and click next, and then you can set your hairstyle. So I'm just setting my hairstyle like this one, and or okay, I think this one is cool, or I can set on this one. And you can also change the color, hair color. So what's your hair color? I change, it's like a blue, sorry, it's black. And then you can also hairstyle, color, and click here. It's face shape. Okay, just click on this face shape. What's your face shape? So just choose randomly. Here you can see, you can consider as your face, then choose according to these. I just keep this one, or okay, keep this one, and click right one. Then you can see face line. Okay, it's like that, and you can change your eye shape also. I just say it like okay. I just set this one and click next eye makeup. So if you want to make up your eye, if you're a girl, so you can easily set it. So I just keep this and go another eyebrows. So what's your eyebrows? I just keep this one, and bindi, so it's for girls. And if you want to eyewear or sunglass, so I just keep it. So you can just check all of this. Okay, a lot of feature here. And after completing all this thing, so you can also change your appearance, outfit, so what it's look like. So you can set according to your interest. I just set this one, and your body appearance. Okay, just keep this one, and you can also change facial hair. So okay, I just give this one, and after completing all this thing, just simply click done. Okay, and save changes. And your avatar is successfully created. So now click next, and it will be appeared. Okay, it's like pose. Okay, just keep, it's not good background for me, maybe it's good, or I can keep this one, this is funny, or you can set a beautiful color as your background. So I just keep this one, it's or this one, and then click a tick mark, and the avatar will be changed, set it on your account, on your profile picture. Okay, it's successfully appeared. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and please consider to subscribe my channel. Today is no more. Thank you for watching this tutorial.